So in this video, we're going to look at how to graph lines, just one equation, but it's from standard form. So I'm going to zoom in really far and change my pen so it's a little smaller so we can actually see it. I've got 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. And this is what I'm asking for when I ask you to show work, what work I'm looking for. So we need to get the y isolated, which means we start by subtracting that 2x from both sides. So I get 3y is equal to negative 2x plus 6. Then I can divide everything by 3, and we leave that negative 2/3 as just negative 2 over 3, because that tells us the rise over run. But the 6 over 3 we simplify down to 2. So that allows us to see that we've got a positive 2 as our y-intercept, so starting up here at 2. And then the rise over run is negative 2/3. So since it's a negative slope, it should look like this, facing downwards. That means I'm either going down to the right or I'm going up to the left. So I'm going down to right 3 or up to left 3. Rise over run. And then I can connect these two or these 3 points together like that. And so it looks like I'm going through C, and it says that I need to cross that out. So look for this letter in the string of letters near the bottom of the page and cross it out each time it appears. So I'm crossing out all of my C's, was it? Yep. All of the C's. I see a C there, I see a C there. All right, so C's are canceled out. I'm going to do the first 3, so you all have at least a few questions done. So the second one is negative x plus 2y is equal to 4. So again, moving the x term over, it was minus x or negative x. I'm going to add an x to both sides. 2y is equal to x plus 4. Divide everything by 2. And it's common for students to think that'll become a 2x, but it's 1 over 2x. When that 2 is on the denominator, it stays down there. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So once again, we're starting at 2 on the y-axis, but it's a positive slope this time. So I'm either going up to the right or I'm going down to the left. So up to the right from 2, I'm going there, and then there and there. And we can connect all those points together. So I'm looking for all of the points to be drawn. It looks like we're now crossing out the G at the bottom. So anytime you see a G, and it's possible I missed some as we went, but we got C's and G's that are crossed out. So far, C's and G's. All right, last one is 3x plus y is equal to negative 6. So I'm going to start by subtracting that 3x from both sides. And I get y is equal to negative 3x plus 6. Oh, minus 6. And that's it, because that negative 3 is over 1. There's no coefficient next to y. So I go down to negative 6. Plot that point. And then down 3, right 1, can't do that. So it's a negative slope. I could go down to the right, or I could go up to the left. So I'm going up 3, left 1. Up 3, left 1. Up 3, left 1. So that gets me the negative slope. Oops. And I see that we are crossing through F. So now we're crossing out all of the F. So now I've got C, G, and F that is crossed out. And again, I might have missed some along the way, but the main thing I'm looking for is the work to be shown and the graphs to include all of the points that we can see.